Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use voice message voice filter on Instagram. So let's see how to do it. First of all, you need to update your Instagram apps. So go to Play Store and then search Instagram. Now update your Instagram apps. After completing update process, now open Instagram and then open chats. Now open any conversation and first record your voice message. After record your voice message, here you can see voice filters option. Just tap on this option. Here you will see all voice filters. Now select voice filters that you want to use. Just tap on filters option and then wait for applying filters process. After completing the process, now just send your voice message.